SciTech now. Welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's we'll try to do the Airtel 4G plus aggregation test and the speed test and the download test comparison between this both IQ devices which I got right now, which is IQ3 which I got right now, as you can see friends, which is IQ7 as well. So let's see, I'm trying to use the Airtel SIM card today. So a lot of users did ask me this kind of question, can you please do it with the Idea SIM card and V SIM card, and particularly and with the even with Airtel SIM card as well. So in this video I decided to use the Airtel SIM. So let's see friends, which phone will be having the better kind of signals indoor. This is the indoor condition which I'm trying to do right now. So first I did install the SIM card in this IQ7 device. So this is a IQ7, as you can see friends. Let's see whether this phone will be able to get the 4G plus aggregation indoors or not. But this phone actually supports even Airtel SIM also gets the 4G plus, but indoors only few mobile phones will be able to get that kind of indoor 4G plus. But let me try to open the NetMonster application first and show you the signals. As you can see friends, right now the Airtel 4G I'm getting about 900 band. As you can clearly see, 900 band I'm getting in the IQ7 device. In case if you want more videos on this 4G plus, so don't forget to check this playlist for the 4G plus speed test. That will give you all the clear ideas about which phone has got what type of speeds. So next step is to show you the RX Monitor application. This is a procedure which I will be following in every test, which will definitely give you the clear idea. So now let me try to download the game from the Play Store. So this is the game which I will be downloading right now, which is Hill Climb Racing. Let me try to uninstall and download again. Let's see how much time this game will be downloaded in this IQ7 smartphone. Is the stopwatch ready? Let me try to click it same time, 1, 2, 3. And after downloading, I'll try to do the speed test as well. So this is the usual way which I'll be doing in every video. So right now on the top of the notification panel, you'll be able to see the speed, how much I'm getting. I'm getting about 2.21 Mbps of speeds, but there is no signal of any kind of 4G plus. That's okay, no problem. But right now, let's see friends, how much time this 3.34, the highest 3.55 Mbps of download speeds. I'm trying to see the highest 3.55 is the highest received overall in the IQ7 device. It's done. So it's done in 28 seconds of time. This phone finished this game in 28 seconds of time. So now next thing is to test the speed test. So here's the speed test application which I'll be trying to use during this time of testing. So let's see friends, how much speeds we can actually get using the Airtel SIM card. So right now I'm trying to use the Airtel SIM card, and with the Airtel SIM I'm getting about 22 Mbps and 23 Mbps, 24, not bad, in this IQ7 device, which is the Airtel SIM. Right now I'm trying to use, and 23, 24 as well. So just now I got a reminder to drink some water. There is a reminder which I did set in this phone to drink some water. And 23.2. Yes, so these are the speed tests for the first time. Let's do the test 2 times. So every time I'll try to do the 2 times of testing, so that will give you the kind of close to average kind of figures, so how much we can actually expect. So when you are doing the second time, it's kind of close to 15 and 20, not bad. 20. First time we did get the 23 highest, and second time we are getting about 21 21 around highest, 20. So 20.2, as you can see friends clearly, 20.2 is the second time highest score we got right now in the IQ7 device using the Airtel SIM card. You can clearly see the difference. So now let me try to remove the SIM card. I'm trying to do in front of the camera only friends. Same SIM card I'll try to use in this IQ3 device. Let's see how much speeds and how much download speed also we can expect. So this is the Airtel SIM card which I'm trying to use, and I did use in the SIM tray 1 only. SIM tray 1 I have used, in case if you want to know more details. So this is a Airtel SIM card friends, as you can see, Airtel SIM which is here. And let me try to open the SIM card tray from the IQ3, and here also I'll try to use only the SIM card tray 1 only. So these are 2, and SIM card tray 1 is on the back side. Let me try to keep it in proper way. I think this way should be kind of correct. I think so, yep. So now let me try to use this Airtel SIM card directly. As you can see, same SIM I'm trying to transfer from this IQ7 to the IQ3. So 28 seconds it downloaded this phone. Let's see how much time this phone gonna take. So let me try to disconnect the Wi-Fi and turn on the mobile data. Mobile data is kind of turned on. As you can see, mobile data is turned on right now successfully. And any minute we should be able to see the 4G plus, or if there is no 4G plus, that's kind of fine. But let's see what kind of bands we are getting in this phone. And in case if you want to download this live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist. You can find the videos as well. Let's see the Airtel band. We're not getting any band because I did not enable the location. Let me try to enable and I'll be back. So we're getting about LTE 2300. So in the IQ7 device we got 900 and 1800. But in the IQ3, all of a sudden we are getting 2300, as you can see friends, the band. But later on, when we are trying to do the download test, we'll be able to see on the top. Let me try to use the same game which I'm trying to download, same game, 58 MB size. Let me try to open the clock application in this phone. Let me try to keep the stopwatch ready. Yes, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, get set, go. Let's see friends how much time this IQ3 will be able to download the same game at same location, same Airtel SIM I am trying to use, but different bands I'm getting. So right now I'm getting only 2300 band, and which is connected, and the speeds are not that great, as you can see friends. That's kind of shocking. Same location, same Airtel SIM I am trying to use, but different bands. So unfortunately I don't have another Airtel SIM with me. So if there is another Airtel SIM, I could have easily compared side by side. So I do have the Jio SIMs, so maybe I can do with the Jio SIM later on in case if you're interested. But right now, as you can see, clearly the download speeds are slightly less. I think really slow, very slow, very slow, as you can see, using the Airtel SIM. So this depends upon type of network to network as well. So V SIM card, so different story, and the Jio SIM card is a different story, and Airtel SIM card is a different story, friends. That is the reason a lot of users also they did ask me, can you please do with Airtel, can you do with the V SIM card? So I'm going to do all those testings very soon, so stay tuned for those videos. Right now it's 57%. I'm not sure how much more time this game going to take to download in this phone. As you can see friends, clearly it's taking, I think, close to 1 hour, 1 minute and 30 seconds, I think so. So there's no 4G place, same band, 2300 I'm getting the band, but in this phone I got the band of 1800. So I'm not sure how that's kind of different. It's same location but different bands, but in same company as well, IQ3 and IQ7. But this phone released last year. If they decrease this price kind of close to 24, so it's done, I think, close to 2 minutes. So around 2 minutes of time this came to completely to install in the IQ3 device. So this IQ7 took only 28 seconds of time, and this phone took about close to 2 minutes of time. That's kind of completely strange, friends. That's another thing. So let's see what will be at least the speed test, how much speeds we can actually expect in this phone. That is what I'm going to check. Same server, they are connected both. Let's see what will be the speeds. I'm very curious to see in this kind of speeds how much I can expect. So using the Airtel SIM card, I'm getting 2 Mbps of speeds. Oh my god. Using the Airtel, as you can see friends, at same location, same SIM card, but different kind of things. That's completely strange. So I need to do in-depth investigation on this IQ3 by using the V SIM card as well. So very soon I'm going to do that kind of comparisons as well. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll do the one more testing as well. So 2 times I'll try to do the testing. So 2 times we'll be able to get to know which phone has got what type of results. So let me try to do the second time. Let's see what will happen in the second time. So when the second time also, I think it's not even getting the meter, and on the top notification pane you can see the 2300, and the speeds are kind of slightly close to 6 Mbps and 5 Mbps. So in this phone we did receive close to 23 Mbps of speeds with a different kind of band, which is a 1800 band which I got in the IQ7. Maybe that might be the reason. So here I'm getting different band. That's completely abnormal, as you can see friends clearly. So I can do one thing. I can try to put the phone in airplane mode. I can try again restarting. Maybe the band might change. That is what I was thinking, but let's see what will happen. After this test I'll try to do that. But anyway, I think the IQ7 is the clear winner in terms of the download speeds and even in the speed test as well. So once after I changed from airplane mode to normal mode, as you can see, now I got the 1800 band. As you can see friends clearly on the top, now I got the same band. So before it is 2300 band, but now I am getting 900 band as well, not 1800, as you can see. But the speeds are kind of close to this IQ7. It's more than the IQ7 friends. Oh my god, 31 Mbps. So using the different band, as you can see. So different band, different speed test results we are getting right now. Exactly, as you can clearly see friends, the result. So using with the normal 2300 band and using with the 900 band, how much speed at same location, how much it got improved just by changing from the aeroplane mode to normal mode. These are the results I got. It's completely shocking for me. So in this speed, if I try to download this game, I just want to do for the last sake. Let's see how much time this is gonna take. Sorry, let me try to start at same time. Let's see, just for out of curiosity friends, just out of I just want to see how much time, what will be the highest speeds. 3.55 Mbps is the highest speed received in this iQOO 7, and 2.70, not bad. 3.70, oh my god, that's 3.80. Wow. And it's kind of done. 25 seconds. So this phone took about 25 seconds to download, and iQOO 7 took about 28 seconds. Just out of curiosity, I thought of doing the test again friends, because of changing the band. So that is the reason I thought of doing. So usually I never do that like that. So because most of the time both phones will be having the same kind of bands only connected, but this time I did see some kind of weird thing. So that is the reason. But right now if I try to turn off the airplane mode and again turn it on, let's say I'm trying to wait for that kind of 1800 band to get, but still I'm not getting that kind of 1800 band in my phone. So thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick review between both phones, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information. Until then, bye.